welcome to the workroom. Come on in. Here at the workroom, we feature over 100 local artists and makers and all things Wichita. I'm a longtime member of the Chamber, and probably my favorite part of the Chamber is the connections that I've made. We are celebrating 12 years this year, and so excited to be in our new space at Eden Building with our massive expansion.